What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel and to another video. Back in the Vantage and a different place, not London this time. I'm heading down to Kent for the East SuperCar Club. Not too sure what to expect. It was a car event that we've been invited to, and I thought why not go down. Just about 2 hours nearly, so I thought head down there, see what's about, and then we might head back to London after. But currently crossing a really long bridge. I think it's Dartford Bridge, as you might be able to see. Insert clip here, but we'll see what's there, show you the Aston Martin, and yeah, see how the day goes. So without further ado, enjoy the video.
Waking up at noon, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you.
So I've just arrived at the Lamborghini showroom, as you can see behind, and you can see all the supercars piling up. It is absolutely freezing. Literally, I can't feel my fingertips, but I just thought it'd be Lamborghinis. I know I've just seen already an F40, an XJ220, Speciale. Oh my god, this is pretty mad so far. So I'm gonna stop here and yeah, carry on filming.
I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it started. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it started. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
So we've just left the Lamborghini showroom, and what a morning. I've also just had a McDonald's and feel so much better. Literally, that was my breakfast as well. But what a turnout. I honestly thought it would just be a couple of maybe SVJs, the odd crazy car like an F40, but there was a lot more than what I expected. Just it was such a shame the flip paint SVJ left so soon, because for me, that was my highlight. That's the car that I've always wanted to see since it actually was unveiled at that showroom that they got delivered there. But £100,000 on a paint job, and that car's got scratches, the rims are all scratched up. I'm like, the guy clearly drives it like a madman, but he must be a madman to spend 100k on a paint job. But an incredible morning, but that was the only morning, and I've still got a lot of filming to do throughout today, and I'd like to split this up in 3 videos. Like, if some of you remember, I filmed at the McLaren Technology Centre. I split them 2 videos up from Topaz to McLaren. So I'm going to sign off this video, and this is part 1, and part 2 I'm going to be heading right now to Rome's International to check out their supercar stock, as they've got some crazy unicorns in there, not just hypercars, some of my ultimate favourite cars, which I can't wait to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next for part 2.